Welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the operation could not be completed on Cash App if you face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle and leave the third scan. You have turned it on. After that, go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode and leave the third scan. You have turned it off. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then click on Journal. From here click on date and time and make sure that this toggle turn on set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn on this toggle, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and after that click on reset. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open again Journal. From here click on this and click on software update and make sure that update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your iPhone storage and from here search for this Cash App. Click on Cash App and from here you make sure that offload your app, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.